Hey, welcome to this website creation class. We're going to build a website from scratch, from beginning to end, using the platform from consciouswebpresence.com. In today's class, we'll go over a multi-page site versus a one-page site, adding images, changing content, your text, fonts, adding links. You'll learn how to pick out colors from your website and how to strategically design your site so that you're organized and search engine optimization friendly. I'm Jennifer Merritt. I built my first website in 2003. I am an entrepreneur and small business owner. I specialize in healing arts, offering massage and yoga. And through that, I've grown to share what I've learned in marketing and business for my own business with others. And I enjoy helping other small businesses, entrepreneurs, artists be able to connect online. I also enjoy keeping things slow and done in hopefully the most efficient and a way that you can understand. So throughout this class, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me at consciouswebpresence.com. And also, I'd love to encourage you to connect with other people taking this class. You know, a part of building a website can be super fun and creative, and another aspect of it can be kind of redundant and stressful or annoying or out of our comfort zone. And so those are times where you take breaks, go breathe in something that smells good, look at something else, be willing to come back to it later. And one person said to me, if it takes more than 15 minutes to work on something online, she hires someone else to do it. And another person will reach out for tech support. So I do encourage you to save your time. My first website, I spent over 100 hours creating, and that same design I could now do in 5 hours. So there is something to, once you've done this a lot and over again, where it just doesn't take you as long. And that being said, it also costs more money to have someone else do it. So you have time or money, and you kind of weigh out your resources. My hope is that I can save you a lot of time through this tutorial and give you the things that will be the most productive for you to do on your own. But please don't hesitate, especially while taking this class, to reach out to me to make things easier and get things done quicker.